Sometimes I'll be looking at the date and I still can't believe that almost 3 years have passed since my mom died. Not a day goes by that I don't think about her. My mom had so many amazing qualities that really made her the best mother a person could ask for. And one of the things that she would do that I loved is that she would make me this meal that we lovingly call grandma spaghetti. It was something that I enjoy to the point where it is my favorite meal. And it's something that she would make whenever I was feeling down, or maybe had a rough day at work or a rough day at school, or just needed some good old-fashioned comfort food. It's a dish that I've talked so much about that I actually promised I'd make it for Dill and her family next week, but I can't. My name is Cristian Fox. I'm 33 years old and I recently married the love of my life. It was the most amazing day ever, but it was also one of the saddest because my mom wasn't there. On September 29th, 2021, my mom died. She ended up going through this process called MAID, which is basically medical assistance in dying. It was a sunny morning, and I got up and went downstairs to make her last meal. Blueberry waffles, fresh strawberries from Longo's because she was very particular about her strawberries, and a super hot cup of black coffee. It was such a strange day because she was a lot happier than I had seen her in a very long time. But I knew it was because her pain was finally about to end. We went into a small room where I held her hand and told her what she meant to me. The doctor injected a drug, which put her into a deep sleep and then finally stopped her heart. You know, it was tough for a few days, but then I thought I was good. My life was going well, and things with Dill were so amazing that I ended up proposing to her in 2023. But then we started wedding planning, and all of my emotions and feelings about my mom really started to hit me. I came to this realization that I was about to marry the love of my life, as well as join this incredible family, which were two of my mom's biggest dreams for me. Dreams that she would never get to realize. So I decided to take some steps and really explore grief beyond traditional therapy. I've been journaling a lot lately about the day that my mom died and some of the positive things about that experience, and honestly, it's helped a lot. I thought that by perhaps interviewing specialists in the field, I would get some answers, and those answers would help me along my own personal healing journey.
The grieving process is not a one-day thing, but it doesn't matter whether it is a long period or a short period, as long as you deal with it.
If your mom or your family member was an educator, right, and had a passion for education and seeing young people move on to education, even a minimal scholarship in the name of your mom doesn't have to be something continuous to say this is what she would have wanted in memory of. The other thing that we noticed in scripture is that when someone was getting ready to die, for example, Jacob was getting ready to die, his son Joseph was the prime minister of Egypt, and he would send messengers to his son. Now Jacob was in Goshen, along with the other family members, and he was getting ready to die, and he sent for his son. His son shows up, and he had dialogue with his father.
I can do this. can't do that. I give up. I can't do it. I can't do it. Abe, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can cook this dinner. Because I can't look at pictures of my mom.
Babe, you'll be fine. I mean, if anything, like I've said with the dinner, we can always, if you'd like us to reschedule, we can always cook a different meal.
I don't know. I just gotta think. When can I let them know? Because how like much advance notice do they need?
My family won't care, babe. As long as we let them know, we'll just tell them that unfortunately it doesn't work for us today. We can do it another time. That's not an issue at all.
Okay, so I know they're coming tomorrow, but I don't know. I have to think about it.
Take your time. Take a deep breath. Think about it. Let me know if you need me to do anything.
Yeah, I will.
Whatever you'd like to do, I'll support you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay?
Alright.
Okay, I love you.
Love you too, babe. It's Saturday morning right now, around 10 a.m. I spent yesterday just reflecting on my emotions and my freak out, but I'm feeling much better today. I think all I needed to hear from Dill was that I didn't have to go through with it if I really couldn't do it, and that her parents wouldn't mind. I think her parents are supposed to be here around 6:30ish. I'll have to check, but yeah, they're still gonna come, and I'm still gonna muster through and make this meal because I think I can do it, and I'm excited to see how they like it. I just wanted to thank you all for coming tonight. I just wanted to put this dinner on because you've all done so much for the wedding, and we put you through the ringer with like non-stop meetings and questions. So I really appreciate all that you've done for us. And today what I wanted to do is I wanted to make a dish that has become legendary in my family, my mom's side of the family, called grandma spaghetti. It was originally called mom spaghetti because my grandmother made it, and then when I came along it became grandma spaghetti. It means a lot for my new family to be able to try this and hopefully like it. If not, there's more for me.
We're gonna like it.
Okay, let's raise our glasses for all of us here and also in memory of Catherine.
The family has just gone home, and it's been a truly special day. Today was great. I was able to cook with Dill and show her how to make grandma spaghetti. I finally did what I wanted to do. I made grandma spaghetti. Then being able to have it with my new family, I think was a huge step. I know my mom would be very happy and was probably looking down and just smiling ear to ear, knowing that I'm sharing this family legacy with my new family. I learned a lot from this whole experience, not just the cooking, but from everything. And I just feel like there's so many great lessons that I can take away from this. One, that it doesn't matter how long I grieve for. There's no time limit. That honestly is hugely comforting to know that I don't have to worry about how long I grieve for, and that it's natural regardless of how long it takes. Two, that I can rely on my friends and family and should rely on my friends and family, and that I can do that as long as it's done respectfully. It's almost freeing being given permission to be able to rely on others instead of just yourself. I also really want to take Pastor Frank's advice and create a scholarship in her name because I know my mom would love that. And I'm feeling very, very positive about things.
That's good. Hey, Chris. High five.